Is the role of a training professional just to train, or is there a higher purpose? If you're still wondering, what's your higher purpose? Maybe this video is for you. Hi, my name is Solomon Salvis. I'm a leadership expert, been into learning and development for close to around 2 decades, and I'm a game-based learning specialist. I love playing games in my personal life, and I make people play business games in their professional lives. To answer this particular question, let me borrow a story from my mentor, Blair Singer. Blair Singer told me a story about Bumblebee. So the story of Bumblebee goes like this. The Bumblebee gets up early morning every day in search of food, in search of a flower, and in that flower it's searching for nectar. So imagine the bumblebee going all the way to a flower, okay, taking up the nectar and then going back to his beehive. And how many times does the bumblebee travel? Right? Continuously. That's the goal for bumblebee. Right? It goes from one flower and then it goes to the second flower and the third flower and so on. In the bargain, what bumblebee is doing is, while it's going on one flower to the other flower, it's picking up a lot of its pollen from this flower and then cross-pollinating with the other flowers. And because of that, what happens? There are new flowers, there are new plants, there are new trees, there is oxygen. And had bumblebee not done that at all, there might be nothing. We might not be there. But does the bumblebee get up and say that I want to save the world? No. It just goes for that nectar. And for the bumblebee, that's the goal. But there is somebody out over there who's designed a higher goal, a higher purpose for a bumblebee. And this is a brilliant metaphor for us as human beings, for us as training professionals. We tend to go and train, but there is a bigger purpose. While we are training, we are actually improving the quality of life of that person. But because of his quality of life or her quality of life is improving, her family's quality of life is improving. And because the family's quality of life is improving, we are impacting the society. And the society's quality of life is improving, right? And then the country's quality of life is improving. So your one act of training, impacting, transforming a person is in fact impacting the whole world. So my dear training professional, I would encourage on continuing on this awesome journey of developing people, creating a difference, creating an impact, and then improving the quality of life. Your quality of life will improve and the world's quality of life will improve. Thank you very much.